Reflection, Part 2. Critical angle and total internal reflection. Let's move on to the second part. Applications of total internal reflection. Here we are going to discuss 4 applications of total internal reflection. 1. Light sky. Light travels by successive total internal reflection inside a light sky, so that it may be used for illumination or data transmission, such as optical fiber. When light carrying signal travels through optical fiber by successive total internal reflections. When compared with copper wire for signal transmission, optical fiber is cheaper and lighter because different colors may pass through a single optical fiber at the same time. So optical fiber may transmit more data than a much thicker copper cable. And that explains why phone calls are so cheap and why internet is basically free. The second application is a periscope. You may make a periscope by using 2 parallel mirrors, such as the diagram on the left-hand side, so that light may pass through the periscope by 2 reflection. However, mirror forms multiple images. The images are not clear. We say the quality of image is low. On the other hand, by using prism, then total internal reflection will produce high quality image, which is sharp and bright. However, periscope produced by using prism will be a bit heavier, and of course it is more expensive. The next application is called mirage and looming. The YouTube video below shows you some scenes of mirage and looming. So on one side of a desert, you may see something just like this, which looks like a pool of water, but actually it is not. It is mirage. Mirage is formed when there is a high temperature gradient in the atmosphere. What does that mean? That means there are different layers of air, and then they have very different temperature. So the professor say his left hand can feel the air is warm, while his right hand can feel the air is cool. When the light travels across different layers, light is reflected and it bends away from normal. It doesn't only bends away, but it even reflects outward, just like total internal reflection. So the light from the top of the hill will just go down and to be reflected, so you see the hill on the ground. So it's just like there is a pool of water that reflects the light of the hill. Well, mirage is the name given to what happened when there's warm air on the ground and cool air above, which is what happened in desert. Looming is the name given to something just opposite, when the air near the ground or the sea is cooler, and this happens in places which are very cold, near the poles. The last application is called rainbow. Rainbow is produced by dispersion and total internal reflection of light. When sunlight from behind the observer goes into a rain droplet, the rain droplet disperses the light that splits the light into different colors and also reflect them by total internal reflection. When we stand still, different droplets will reflect different colors of light to our eyes, and so different colors appears at different angles, and that produce a rainbow like a semicircle. If you have a strong laser pointer at home, you may try these experiments, but beware not to direct the laser pointer to anyone's eye. It is too powerful.